What's up guys, my name's Cam, you're watching Sorry Garage, and today I'm going to teach you how to change the cabin air filter on a 2017 to 2023 BMW X3. Let's get into it. Okay, so to start this off, you want to go ahead, open up the passenger side door, and right over here in the passenger footwell, you need to locate two little plastic tabs right here. You just want to turn them till they pop out like that. One in this corner and one right there in the other. Okay, and they'll drop down just like that. Once both of these are loose, you can go ahead and peel down the plastic cover. This is covering where the cabin air filter is. Okay, you just want to drop it down like that. Okay, once the cover is off, you want to take off two silver screws. You can see them in the video right now. One right here and one right there. These are going to be Torx bit screws. They're going to be size T20. Now this is going to be really hard to film. I'll try my best, but if not, I'm just going to take off these two screws and then that's pretty much it, okay? Yeah, it's way deep in there. There's just not enough space for me to fit my head to even see the screws and then fit the camera on top, but this is what the screws look like. And then you can see the heads of them, Torx bit T20. Okay, so I would throw these in the cup holder or something, just so you don't lose them. And then there's just two plastic tabs holding in the cover, and that's it. So one of the tabs is right in the right corner. See if you guys can see it. It's right here. So you just want to release that. Okay, and it'll open up. And there's another tab on the other side, so we'll just release that. Okay, I released it on the other side. It's exactly like this. You just pull this out and it swings open, okay? Once it swings open, you can move this out of the way, and then here comes your cabin air filter, okay? It's stuck on the carpet. Okay, there you go. You can see the tabs on both, and then cabin air filter. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is the orientation. The top left corner is cut off like that. So let's see if you guys can see the part number here. Okay, okay, and then I don't see any directional arrows. Well, actually it's both ways, so either or works. There will be links in the description box down below for this filter and all other aftermarket filters from Amazon, if you want a more budget option, but that's it. So once you get a new filter, you can go ahead and just repeat the process in reverse. Slip this back in. Then we can go ahead, put this cover back on, and just reattach the plastic tabs. This is very hard to do one-handed. There you go. Very hard to see. This is honestly the most pain in the butt cabin air filter I've done yet, but it's way back there, and the plastic clips are clipped on. Now we can go ahead and grab our screws and screw them back in. Okay, I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but those two silver screws are back on. One over there, and the other one way in the back corner there. Right there. Okay, once those are on, you can go ahead and pop this plastic cover back on. The biggest thing with this is you just want to make sure these air vents for the passenger footwell, there's cutouts in the plastic panel. You just want to line them up. Okay, once it's lined up, it'll click into place like that. You can just twist those tabs to lock, 1 and 2, and that'll be it. Okay, and final product all buttoned up back together. Just twist those little screws or plastic tabs sideways to lock once it's completely packed in there. Probably one of my worst production quality videos, but this thing is really far up there, and there's not a lot of room, so I hope that helped you guys. Alright, well guys, that's all there is to it. I apologize for the blurry footage. There's not a lot of room to work on this thing down there. I can barely fit my head in there, let alone the whole camera rig. But hopefully through all the audio and the footage that I do have, you can guide yourself through it, and it turned out okay. very big pain in the butt for a cabin air filter, but regardless, that's how you do it. If this helped you, please help me by giving me a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing. That's all there is for today, guys. Take care. Bye.